Hello everyone, welcome back to ClassBridge, your bridge to clarity. Today we'll begin a very important topic in algebra, real numbers. Real numbers form the foundation of everything we do in mathematics. From algebra to graph to equations to calculus, everything starts from real number. Let us start with the simplest set, the natural numbers. These are the counting numbers. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Sometimes mathematicians include 0, but traditionally it starts from 1. Number 2 is the whole numbers. If you take the set of natural numbers and add just one extra member, that is 0, to the set, it gives the set of whole numbers, meaning that whole numbers begins from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The next one is the integers. Integers include natural number, whole numbers, and their negatives. That is the negative numbers, the center, which is 0, and the positive numbers. This set of numbers enables us to talk about gains, loss, positive, negative, increase, decrease, temperature rise, temperature fall, and so on. The number 4 on the list is the rational number. A rational number is any number that can be expressed in form of a fraction, that is, one integer over another integer. An example is 1 over 2, 1 over 6, 3 over 4, and so on. But do not forget that 3 over 1 is also a rational number. Why 3 over 1 will still give you 3, meaning that we can have integers in rational numbers. Integers in decimals terminate, or they follow a repeating pattern. Mind you, we have some decimal numbers that do not repeat and do not terminate, and that set of numbers will give us the irrational numbers. These numbers cannot be written or expressed in form of fractions. Example is the square root of 2, the square root of 3. In fact, any number under square root that cannot be simplified further is an irrational number. Also, any number under cube root that cannot be simplified further is an irrational number. Another beautiful example is pi, exponential. They are decimals that cannot be terminated. So now, if we combine the rational numbers and the irrational numbers together, we get a number that is called the real numbers. The real numbers are numbers that are formed with a combination of the rational and the irrational numbers. The real numbers include every point on the number line.